The whole world is in shock to see the invention of Chat GPT. This AI technology can assist everyone to do their work efficiently, but many fear that it will affect their job opportunities and would eliminate their purpose in their workplace. Will Chat GPT take over your life? Would it replace us? Chat GPT-3 has the ability to analyze text, and Chat GPT-4 has the ability to analyze the images efficiently. What is coming is Chat GPT-5, which could analyze both the text and images within no time. It can work through different media formats and translate texts and provide people with essential information. The scope of Chat GPT is unlimited. Now you don't require the talent to be a filmmaker, let alone the equipment. You don't have to make investments. Instead, you can type the keywords to Chat GPT or upload a snippet of a video shot by you. Within minutes, you would have access to a film made by you in your room. How magical is that? Let's see which areas of our life Chat GPT will acquire a permanent AI position. On number 7, we have entertainment. The experience provided to the consumer is quite important in video games and movies. With this new artificial intelligence, the viewer's favorite video game could be customized for them by making slight changes. It analyzes the interaction of gamers and provides them with a kind experience by adjusting the plot and the players. The AI would deeply analyze the mood of the gamer and alter the game. You will feel like the game is completely made just for you and according to your needs. The cool aspect of it takes a dark turn when this Chat GPT could get rid of people who work in the entertainment industry. Video editors, directors, content creators, technical assistants, and even actors would be replaced with Chat GPT. The worry has started among many as they fear whether their job will be taken away from them. We haven't developed technologically to see the future, but we can access the current situation and predict the future. What do you think? Would they be replaced? On number 6, we have virtual assistants. Imagine having a full-time assistant without having to deal with them. Someone who knows everything about you. From where you have kept your remote to when was your last doctor's appointment. The virtual assistants provided by ChatHot will guide you through your own home and give you an array of options to choose what kind of assistance you want. You can add your passwords, personal details, and the location of your prized possessions. Chat GPT will make sure that you remember everything and that you can go as carefree as you could. Isn't that the biggest blessing of all? On number 5, we have content creation. Content creators are the most affected by the invention of Chat GPT. Many lost their jobs as they were no longer needed in their role. With the right keywords, you can get content related to anything. It can even copy your writing style and give you content with the exact way you write. This adds a human touch and signature to the content. Scripts and reviews can be created within minutes and no fuss at all. All you have to do is to type the necessary words and get the content on your screen. Many people complained about how they became jobless due to the content creation in Chat GPT. A lot of people do not prefer to use Chat GPT as it's still developing and certain information is not available. Several pieces of information are restricted, and this pushes the people to seek the help of content creators. Chat GPT has to improve, and the makers are working on it. Soon, it would open access to all information, and people would be addicted to it. It's astonishing to see that within a short period, Chat GPT has taken over the world, and it's a hot topic still discussed by many. People are more than curious to know where this artificial intelligence will take us next. Many are still learning to use Chat GPT to its maximum potential, whereas others are being creative about it. On number 4, we have academics. Students are the ones who benefit from Chat GPT. They are given lengthy essays to read from their universities. Earlier, they used to pull an all-nighter to complete their reading and understand the content, but now they can rely on Chat GPT. They just have to type in the heading of their essay, and they will receive the summarized version of the lengthy assigned work. Students even ask Chat GPT to write their university essays and score high marks. It was very difficult to catch someone who used Chat GPT, but now it's very easy as Chat GPT itself closed the loophole. We could copy-paste any content and ask Chat GPT whether it generated this information. It would let you know if the essay was AI generated. This doesn't let down the students. They would find more ways to use Chat GPT to submit their academic works. Chat GPT also aids them to solve their homework and makes them an A-grade student. It gives them more time to themselves, and they can focus on other activities. They could also have access to creative ideas and storylines for their projects. No more brainstorming for hours. Instead, they are just one click away from the AI world of information. How does it affect the students in the future? Students wouldn't develop any skills, and they wouldn't know how to prepare notes or even write an essay. The human brain is given to us to use to maximum capacity. If the students heavily depend on Chat GPT, they will not be able to know their capabilities and would not be able to find a position in society. On number 3, we have work. When was the last time you drafted a mail and you were doubtful of how to draft it politely and accurately? Well, Chat GPT will guide you through how to do your work more efficiently, and maybe later Chat GPT will replace your job. It's impossible to outsmart artificial intelligence. Even though humans made it, within a few years it can take over the whole world with its ultimate and super speed development. Every word we type is taken as data, and it's stored by Chat GPT. The only skill you need to develop is to master Chat GPT. You need to know which keyword to use and what command to give. Otherwise, the results you get wouldn't match your needs. On number 2, we have coding. If you are planning to be closer or working in the field of coding, then Chat GPT is your solution to your doubts. It can provide you with any kind of coding assistance you require. Completion of code, generating any part of your code in optimization. All you have to do is give a command of what you want to code and ask Chat GPT to generate it for you. You can also provide a part of your code and ask the AI to compile it. People choose to seek the help of Chat GPT as they get their codes farther and with great accuracy. This helps them to complete their work and get access to the information they need. It can also help the code to identify its mistakes and work on them. They don't have to get outside help. Instead of writing in the comfort of their four walls, they can improve their skills. On number 1, we have medical benefits. Chat GPT could store the information regarding a person's medical history and remind them to consult a doctor, as well as guide them to seek medical help if they show symptoms of any disease. It would help to save many lives with its assistance in finding new drugs and give an analyzed report of patients at hospitals. It can even assist scientists to invent new machines and medicines which cure diseases. The scope of Chat GPT in the medical field is unknown and undiscovered. We do not know what it holds for us in the future. It would bring a revolutionary change to the medical field, and people would be amazed at the fast growth of artificial intelligence. Chat GPT would also make sure that people anywhere in the world get access to medical knowledge. It would provide remote consultation and bring development to the field of telemedicine. GPT has the intelligence to analyze your essay and pick out the equations from it. It can assist you. It also can complete your college essays and homework. It could even replace you in your job and at the same time provide you with information regarding job vacancies and skill development. It's the best friend you never asked for and the assistance you always dreamed of. Many days that Chat GPT will soon replace Google and would be the new Google for technologically advanced human beings. It would also accelerate the making of robots, and we would welcome a world of artificial intelligence soon enough. Do you think Chat GPT will leave you jobless? Would you be able to master the skill of using Chat GPT? Let us know in the comments.